Hi, good morning. Today's topic is about circle, and this topic is good for grade 10 students. We have five problems today, and we have two figures. No, the first figure will be used for answering 1 to 4, no, for the solutions of 1 to 4. And the last circle here, the last figure, will be used for problem number 5. So we proceed to the problem itself. No? So for the direction, in a given figure here, this figure here, C is the center of the circle, no? And AB intersects, no? This tangent AB, this is a tangent line, intersects the circle at B, no? So we are asked for number 1, what is the measure of angle DGF, no? Angle DGF, no? The angle DGF, no? So the angle, no, inscribed in the semicircle, this is semicircle here. The circle formed by the diameter DF and the arc DGF, no, is a semicircle. Any angle, no, all the angles form, no, inscribed in the semicircle will always be equal to 90 degrees. No? So always remember that. No? So for number 2, we have here the measure, if the measure of angle BEF, no, angle BEF, no, is equal to 110. You have to find the measure of arc BGF, no. So this 110 here is equal to 1/2 of the arc BGF. So this measure of arc arc the measure of angle BEF is equal to 1/2 of the arc BGF, no? So it follows therefore the measure of the arc BGF is equal to twice the measure of angle BEF, no, from this equation here. So that will be equal to 2 times 110, the given measure there. So 2 times 110 is 220. So the arc BGF is equal to 220 degrees. For number 3, if the measure of the arc GF, the measure of the arc GF, no, this arc here is 120, and we are asked to find the measure of arc DG, no. So what we're going to do is just subtract this 120 to 180, and we're going to get 60 degrees. No? So this is 60 degrees. So if this is 60 degrees, 1/2 of that will be the measure of GFA, no? This angle here, no, will equal to 1/2 of 60 degrees. So that is 30 degrees. No? So measure of angle GFA is equal to 1/2. The measure of DG is equal to 1/2. So since DG is 60, 1/2 of 60 is 30 degrees. For number 4, if the measure of angle BCA, no, is equal to, BCA is equal to 50 degrees, and you are asked to find the measure of arc BD, no. So this arc here is equal to the central angle, no? They are equal. They will always be equal, no? So, and the other one, we are asked to find the measure of BCF, no, the angle BCF. So BCF now, angle BCF now is equal. So since this is a half circle, the arc here is equal to 180. So the measure of angle BCF, the angle BCF, now is equal to 180, the measure of a semicircle, minus 50. So we have here, this portion here is equal to 130 degrees. this one. So for the last problem here, we're going to use this circle here. Arc AC, no, is tangent. Arc AC. No, segment AC is tangent, no? AC is tangent, no, to circle O at A. AC is tangent to the circle O at C, no? To circle O at A, I mean. To circle O at A, sorry. So the measure of angle 1 given to be 70 degrees. And we are asked to find the measure of angle 4. And so we let the measure of angle 1 to be equal to is x, no? And we are asked to find the measure for number 2, no? This is number 1. For number 1, we are asked to find the measure of angle 4. And for number 2, we are asked to find the measure of angle x of angle 1 in terms of x. So find the measure of angle 4 in terms of x, no? So what is the relationship between angle 1 and angle 4? For our solution for number 1, since we are given measure of angle 1 is 70 degrees, the measure of angle 1 is equal to the arc. So the measure of the intercepted angle will always be equal to the central angle. So if this is 70 degrees, the arc formed here is 70 degrees. They are equal, no? Angle 1 and angle 4. But the measure of angle 4, this measure of angle 4 is 1/2 of AB. No? This measure of angle 4 is 1/2 of AB. So 1/2 of 70 degrees, no? Because angle 1 is equal to AB, so 1/2 of 70 is equal to 35 degrees. For letter B, measure of angle 4 is equal to 1/2 measure of angle 1, no? And the measure of angle 4 is equal to 1/2 of angle 1. So measure of angle 1 is equal to 7 AB, no? Angle 1 is equal to 70 is equal to 1/2 of angle 1. So AB, so what's the relation between angle 1 and angle 4? So measure of angle 1 is 1/2 of angle 4. So angle 4 is equal to x. So 1/2 of x is equal to measure of angle 1. So that's it. No? That's how we're going to solve some problems here with these. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by Wilfredo Tan, and also click the notification bell. No? And we are glad to hear your comments in my YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching, and see you again later. Bye-bye.